Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're watching this, you're probably considering canceling your HDFC Bank credit card in 2025. Whether it's due to high fees, better offers elsewhere, or just simplifying your finances, it's a smart move to handle this properly. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it smoothly without any hiccups. Let's dive right in. First things first, before you cancel, make sure you check your account for any outstanding balances or pending transactions. Log into your HDFC Bank net banking portal or mobile app and review your statement. If you have any dues, pay them off completely. HDFC won't process cancellations with unpaid amounts. This step is crucial to avoid late fees or complications. Now, onto the main methods. The easiest way is online. Open the HDFC Bank app or website, go to your credit card section, and look for the Service Requests or Card Management option. Select Cancel Card and follow the prompts. You'll need to provide a reason for cancellation and confirm via OTP sent to your registered mobile. It's straightforward and takes just a few minutes. If you're not comfortable with online steps, you can call HDFC's customer care at 1-800-266-4333. Speak to a representative, verify your identity with your card details, and request cancellation. They'll guide you through the process and might ask for confirmation via email or SMS. Remember, this could take a bit longer, so be patient. For those who prefer in-person service, visit your nearest HDFC Bank branch. Bring your ID, the physical card, and any required documents. At the branch, explain your intent to cancel, and the staff will assist you. This method is great if you have questions or need immediate assistance. A few important tips. Always keep records of your cancellation request for future reference. Note that canceling might affect your credit score temporarily, so if you're planning to apply for new credit soon, think twice. Also, any unused rewards or points will typically expire upon cancellation, so redeem them first if possible. There you have it. That's how you cancel your HDFC Bank credit card in 2025. It's a simple process when done right. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and take care.